ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Dawai Sarkar, bat ya ka NHIDCL. Dawai Sarkar, bat ya ka NHIDCL.
Semput Menteri Rangba jong kejela ubak Prestone tensong. Haka khat nyu terik ukla lengkot arajar arpusau ulapan pau ba uai Kyrshan ya ke dawa jong keseng Federation of Riwar Mingi Local Dorbar kabalapan pau ya ke bitar. Hakmat jong Regional Office jong National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited kabadan ha Shillong bandawa bakadai ban maramot no mardor ya ke surok Shillong Tamabil kabalajat haduk kata-kata bat kabala pensosat ya ki Paidbah nong leit nangwan hagatain Riwar Mingi. Haga Jingïakhih bat kilat patai kubor ubak Prestone ulaong ba un sakhot Jingïakhih ya gibor penia jongga NHIDCL ban ya theria tai haga bayadei bat ke jing maramot ya ke surok Shillong dauki na ke jing senapan he ya gane ke surok.
Already call a meeting not less than 100 times with NHIDCL. Even me from the government side, we are not happy with the way the functioning of the NHIDCL. Again, I will call and review meeting. And I'm so happy with this, the Senjuk Kirambashnong, along with the NGOs and all. They came up and showed the protest. I think this is good. Even me, I support that. Because I've seen these people, their style of functioning is totally different. And I've seen that even recently in Assam, a lot of complaint came in from the public. The way the style of functioning of NHIDCL is done. Call again a meeting. The last meeting I will call. I'll discuss with them, and then accordingly, I will let you know.